Hello everyone, in this video we will see that the structure and functioning of human female reproductive system. Female reproductive system is more complex both structurally and functionally. Female reproductive organs deep seated in the abdomen of female body. Primary sex organs in the female reproductive system are ovaries. These are one pair attached both on left and right side to the uterus. Ovary is a primary sex organ which produces the female gamete called ovum or egg. In close relation to the ovary, one duct is opened, that is called oviduct, also called fallopian tube. Oviduct has funnel shaped ending which closely related to ovary. The funnel like end serves to pick up the ovum liberated from the ovary. The proximal end of fallopian tube open into uterus, a sac-like muscular structure. Remember, the fallopian tube or oviduct, it is the site for fertilization. Uterus. Uterus is a muscular elastic sac-like structure. The walls of uterus has three layers named as outer perimetrium, middle myometrium and inner endometrium that lines the uterine cavity. The endometrium, inner layer of uterus, undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle, while myometrium exhibits strong contractions during the delivery of the baby. Endometrium also modified thickness at the time of implantation, and it is helpful for the formation of placenta at the time of pregnancy. Uterus is seat for implantation of embryo and embryo development. It protects the embryo, it supplies nutrients to the fetus and takes away waste from the fetus. Vagina is a passage or canal where the uterus is continued. The starting opening of uterus into vagina is called cervix. Vagina or vaginal canal is the place for deposition of sperms released by the penis of male reproductive organ during the sexual intercourse, so that it is called copulatory canal, and baby also came along with this canal, so that it is also called birth canal. Ovaries also secretes female sex hormones, those are estrogen and progesterone, which helps the female reproductive system for menstruation cycle, secondary sexual characters, and also milk ejection at the time of pregnancy and uterus contractions and expansions, etc.